accessory package includes 3 types of power lines: TQ quad lock, ESO plug, and a third type for use with MQB quad lock connectors. When you remove your car stereo, please confirm your original connector and choose the appropriate power line. Our video make ESO plug as a sample video. If you find that the wiring in your package is incomplete, please contact us at scumaxcon.com and we will immediately send you the appropriate wiring. Each type of wiring has its own label and PIN number, and you only need to connect it to the corresponding interface on the back of our radio. For most customers, there are some wiring that are not needed, so you need to choose the appropriate wiring based on the actual configuration of your car. If your car is a high-end model, for example, if it has a multifunction steering wheel, be sure to connect our CAN bus and disconnect this port, otherwise, the radio may not be able to turn off. If your car is a low-end model, be sure to connect this port. If you are not sure whether your car is If you are unsure about the configuration of your car, you can try disconnecting this plug and try it repeatedly. This white connector is the power line for the CAN bus, and it must also be connected to the back of the machine. Otherwise, the CAN bus of the machine will not work properly.
For our Android 11 head unit, you need set up the CAN bus according to the car model. Let us show you how to set that. First you need choose setting, then choose factory, enter the password 3368, confirm. Then choose car model. Our CAN bus decoder is RAISE, so for the CAN bus type, please choose RZC. For the car brand and car model, you need choose according to your car. If you really cannot find the model of our car on the list, you can also try to choose PQ. If your car is low profile, you can choose low. If your car is high spec model, please choose HM. If you really cannot make sure whether your car is a high spec model, you can simply judge by whether your car has multifunction steering wheel and automatic